Hello friends, I am back with one question from General Aptitude which is asked in ESE prelims. A person travelled by car 70 km towards north to A, then covered 30 km turning left to B. Again he turned towards left and travelled 110 km to C. Then he cycled at rate of 10 km per hour towards starting point. The time taken by him to reach the starting point from C will be what? So in this question, sense of direction plus distance speed time. This example is of composite nature. Here first we have to draw how the person travelled. So I will step by step read the statements and try to draw figure. A person travelled by car 70 km towards north to A. So directions are like this: east, west, north, south. It is given that person is travelling by car 70 km towards north to A. So suppose person starts from this point A and he covered 30 km turning left to B. So from this starting point, this point is A and he covered 30 km turning left to B. So this will be the left and this is 30 km distance. This is B. Again he turned toward left and travelled 110 km to C. Now left of B will be downward direction. Left of B will be downward direction. So in this direction he reached up to C by travelling total distance of 110 kilometers. This is 70 km, up to this 70 km, and this remaining distance will be 110 minus 70, that is 40 kilometers. Then he cycled at the rate of 10 km per hour towards the starting point. So from C, this is starting point, he is travelling in this direction. Suppose this distance be D and he is travelling from C to S at a speed of 10 km per hour. So that D is equal to ST, we know all, that is distance is equal to speed into time. Now here speed is known, distance we can find out by using this. So this is 70 km, this is 30 km, this is 110 kilometers. Up to this it is 70 km, so it is remaining distance is 40 kilometers. And by Pythagoras theorem we can find this distance D, this 30 km, this is also 30 km. By Pythagoras theorem D is equal to under root of 40 square plus 30 square, that is 1600 plus 900, nothing but 2500, that is 50 kilometers. Here distance is given in kilometers, so that we will write D is equal to 50 kilometer. Now by using this formula, distance is equal to speed into time, we can find out time. Time is equal to D upon S, which is nothing but 50 kilometers divided by 10 km per hour. So it will come out to be 5 hours. So total time taken by him to reach starting point is 5 hours. So option B will be right answer for this question.